Hey, gun people. I wanted to share a tip. Alexa, volume 1. I won't get in trouble for playing in the background. So this is, I guess volume 1's too low. This is how you dry a piece of, I put a little poly on there because I'm working on a saddle stand. I already did the other one. I posted it on the horse channel. Put this, that's the same thing that's going to go on top of that horse stand. So, and I figured out, you know what, if I turn that fan on low, I bet you that sucker will just dry that quicker. So that's the tip of the week from expert woodworking and drawing. How to dry this. And while I'm here, man, I picked up this cool little flag a dude made it out of 3 pieces of wood, and he cut the stars out of 10 strips. He wanted 35 bucks. I think I gave him 28 or 30 because he had to add the little 3 ones in the middle. But I thought that was a pretty cool flag. He just got like 3 old pieces of wood, put them together and did that. And I was like, dude, that's pretty creative. I like that. So anyway, back to my tip on how to dry poly a little bit quicker. Well, in that there, I know somebody's going to say like, you should have safety glasses on. And what happens if it swings around and hits you? Well, if it hits you in the head, then you're an idiot. And we'll end that there. I decided to throw in a little bonus footage of how to work out while your wood's drying. So if you want to work on your quick movements of dodging guns or getting underneath the punch, little extra footage for you people that want to work out while your wood's drying.